Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Ram that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you need to find, guys, where the gauges, fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel, guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad. All we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that, guys, to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the gauges, fuses, where you can find them, we will, guys, demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. You guys have a main engine fuse box that's under the hood. So open the hood here on the driver's side in front of your car battery. You see right here, you have that cover. It has two tabs. If you press these tabs, it will open when you lift it. On the inside, you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, guys, what we need to check specifically. Now, 3 fuses. By the way, guys, okay, quick advice. Make sure to stand to the end so you don't end up being stuck like we did in the middle of nowhere. The first fuse is fuse number 49, right here. The second fuse that you need to check for the gauges will be fuse number 84, right there. And then you need to check fuse number 88, right here. You guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays. Buy some spares, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. One time we couldn't find a replacement one. We were in the middle of nowhere and we were stuck because of that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.